guys ever had a wire fall back where you didn't want it to fall? Had a hard time getting it out? Well, let me introduce the wire leash. So this is actually a tech tip to keep those wires within reach, even if they fall back. So we're gonna take a zip tie, we're gonna tie it tight around the wires that we're trying to keep out. So we're gonna pull them tight. So we've got one zip tie on there. Now we're gonna use that zip tie tail, we're gonna attach it to another zip tie. And we're gonna add another one after that. That's gonna leave us a long leash. So even if your wires do fall back behind, you can pull them out through with ease, not have to go behind the furnace, dig through that compartment. Sometimes these spaces are tight. I like to use this a lot of times with clearance lights, just so they don't fall back into the cap. That's a really good use for this trick, but you can use it anywhere. So I'm gonna pull this wire leash out. See those wires are hanging there? Even if they fell back, I could pull them back out. All right guys, thanks for joining me.